morning, guys. I'm just getting packed up here. I'm all packed up. I'm ready to go. Got about an hour's drive, and today's agenda is burbot walleye perch. See what we get. Anyways, let's have a good day and let's get this going. Well, I hope the audio is good enough. I know it's a little bit windy, but we're here. It's black. It doesn't look like too much water, so I'm gonna stick to the shore for now and then go drill out once we get to the spot. So, quick update. I got so many, I'm assuming, perch on me right now. I mean, there is so freaking many on me. Both holes chasing. But this is actually my first encounter with perch, so I'm a little bit unsure on how to fish them. The perch are about 5 feet off bottom. And they are all over my jig. And all over this pole. I just don't know exactly what I'm doing. They're not biting nothing. I don't know if they're just finicky or what, but nothing I'm doing is really working. I guess I'm just gonna throw on stuff until I maybe get a bite. Let's try a rattle bait. Oh, finally on. Finally freaking on. Holy crap, that happened so quick. Ooh, this is kind of big, whatever this is. Oh, let's freaking go. No! Came off. Straight here. So we are, there's the boat launch. We are like right in here maybe. So I think I'm gonna try to get right on those 2 points. Let's go check. Are you serious? Are you freaking kidding me? Okay. Don't touch it. Yeah, it's a fishy.
Oh, that's
Hey, how's it going? We're back at the house. This is a couple days later, and we're gonna get this fish fried up with. Was able to get my hands on some of this catch and cook. We got the pike right over here. I'm gonna cut a couple pieces off and save some for later, but we're gonna throw a coating of that on there, and I'll let you guys know how it tastes.
Smells amazing from here already. Just get that in there. That should be enough.
So my goal is to make these into just small bite-sized nuggets is all. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited to be using the catch and cook, and I've eaten pike once before. I caught a walleye one time and a pike, and so I compared the taste, and they taste very similar. I'm extremely excited to be using this again, and I got some more plans in the future. I got some deer meat and elk meat that I plan on using it with, and so when that happens, you guys will definitely know about it.
So let's check the oil here. So that to me looks like it's ready to go. I think I will turn the heat down a bit.
So we will get our first piece. Then let's get this all good and covered up. And that is looking freaking delicious already. Check that out. Let's get the rest of these double dipped in batter, and we should be golden. I found this actually in a city close by. We were driving through, and at a local bait and tackle shop, they had some sitting on the shelf, and I was ecstatic about it. Look at this right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is pure perfection. At that, a double crunch coating of pike, and I do gotta admit, I did get into it already, and it tastes amazing. You want to talk about a fish that tastes like chicken? This paired with the pike, bar none. I mean, I have to give it 2 thumbs up. So this is the end of the video, and I just want to say thank you to everyone for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching the video. And this fish right here, the crunch, look at that. This golden, crispy pike nugget, basically. This fish paired with the catch and cook is bar none. 2 thumbs up. It's amazing. It looks amazing. And it tastes amazing. So thank you so much for watching the video. I love doing this. This is the first catch and cook of many to come, and you are not going to be disappointed in the future content. So again, thank you so much. Please subscribe, leave a comment if you will. Be ready for more content similar to this. Thank you and have an amazing day.